Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on any Mac device. In this case I'm using a MacBook, so what you want to go to is Google Chrome or any other internet browser, go to Google and start typing in WhatsApp. And it's this first link right here, www.whatsapp.com, click that, accept cookies, and then in the top right corner there's this green download button that turns to black when you hover over it. Press that and it's going to start downloading in your recent download history. You can see it's downloading all the files right here. Just give it a little second to download. So the installer has downloaded. What you need to go to is this button right here, Show in Finder. Press that and it's going to open up your folder. So guys, what you need to do is double tap on the installer and then basically you have to drag the WhatsApp icon over to applications, drop it in there, and it will appear in your applications. Double tap on WhatsApp. It will launch the app for you. Just give it a little second to open. Press open. And there we go. We have WhatsApp downloaded on this device. Press get started. Use WhatsApp on your computer. So guys, this window appears right here and it's basically giving you a QR code that you can scan on the WhatsApp app on your mobile device, and then that will link your WhatsApp account on your mobile to your desktop, so you're using the exact same account, and it's just linking the two devices together. So I'll transfer it over to iPhone right now and you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so guys, what you need to do is go over to WhatsApp on your mobile device, click into there and then press settings in the bottom right, and what you can actually do is go to the QR code. You can press this green button, scan, and then go over to your desktop device and scan the QR code. Press continue. Use WhatsApp on other devices and then press link device. It'll scan your Face ID, scanning the QR code. And there we can see that the mobile device has linked to our Mac device, and WhatsApp is now usable on your iPhone as well as on your PC. So everyone, we can see that WhatsApp has fully successfully downloaded on this device, and by scanning the QR code on the Mac from the WhatsApp app on your mobile device, it's linked both devices together so that you can use the same account on your mobile device as the same account on your desktop or your Mac. So if this video has been helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks very much.